then it works.
The gun?
Yeah, you always have to revive the gun,
Okay.
not the player. Ah, shit, he helped me.
Where?
Stairs,
Upstairs?
stairs.
Downstairs?
Yeah, upstairs.
He just rushes. PC. Oh god.
But I'm so glad. Can you remember him in the beginning? He just running around with the rocket launcher.
Yeah.
Oh, that was annoying. He don't even care if he's dying too. He just wanna annoy people.
Ow!
I'm spawning. Yeah, me too. Yeah. You catch him too? Got both. Oh, I'm a machine. I'm a fucking coffee machine.
Coffee machine?
Yeah.
Ah, there's so many! Oh god, they spawn there.
Where? Ah, okay. Yeah.
I'm dying and dying and dying. I'm killing one in a while.
Oh, behind. No.
Holy. Okay. Ah! Got you!
Fuck, I team killed him. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? I try. Ah! Fuck you, lol. Hey, calm down. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. I saved you. Oh my god. Did you see that?